How to cancel a pending order on Unocoin. Are you guys facing issues to cancel pending order on Unocoin? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To cancel a pending order, open the Unocoin app and log in into your account with your registered email and password. From the home screen, tap on Wallet and select the cryptocurrency for which you want to place the order, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Tap on it, the My Orders tab to view all options, limit and stop orders. Locate the order you want to wish, cancel, and tap the trash delete icon next to it. A prompt will appear. Just confirm yes to cancel the order. Once cancelled, the funds reserved for the order will be released back into your INR or crypto wallet. This process helps you manage your pending trades easily and efficiently. That's it guys, that's how you're going to cancel a pending order on Unocoin. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.